Welcome back to my channel. We are currently 4 days away from my due date and I'm still pregnant. You can't see right now. I'll give you guys a bump update in a little bit, but yes, still pregnant, 39 weeks pregnant, and we're gonna spend the day together. I'm about to get ready just to run some errands today. I did just do like a little refresh to my curls using the Mael Rosemary Mint Daily Styling Cream. I really like this, especially for refresher days, so I'm just gonna let this air dry a little bit. It's like a little bit damp. But while I get ready, we're gonna talk a little bit about pregnancy weight gain because your girl's getting a little big and it's messing with my head a little bit. And I am in need of an armpit wax, so please ignore any of that if I don't edit those parts out. But anyway, yeah, I had my 39-week appointment on Monday, my little checkup, and everything is well. If you guys watched my last video, I was saying like I'm trying to induce labor and help my body dilate and stuff. We made some progress, so I'm really happy. We made some progress, so hopefully baby comes soon. I don't know. I also think, which I don't know, I'm literally about to Google it. I'll Google it later. Wow, my brain's all over the place. But I think I might have lost my mucus plug. If you know, you know. I'm not sure though. Like, I'm really not sure. But anyway, like I was saying, I want to talk about pregnancy weight gain because I went to my 39-week appointment on Monday. Tell me why I literally gained basically 5 pounds in a week. Since my last appointment last Monday till this Monday, I gained 5 pounds. And literally I was like, okay, I'm done with the ice cream. And I know I just said a few vlogs ago, like, I'm gonna live it up and eat whatever I want. It's my time to just live it up. But no, I don't want to see that number be that big on the scale. Like, I really don't. My dog is barking because they literally just started construction again. Like, I cannot live in peace in this apartment complex. And the construction is non-stop. Like, it's always something. But anyway, like I was saying, I really have been gaining weight like crazy, and obviously I know it's normal. This is gonna be the heaviest I've ever been. Like, obviously it's normal to gain weight. I have to gain weight to be pregnant, you know? But it just really messes with your head sometimes when you see the number on the scale just getting bigger and bigger every week, you know? And to be honest, I really haven't been that active. Although this past week, I've been trying to like do a lot more walking. I even went to the gym this morning because I'm just trying to help my body dilate. So I'm trying to stay as active as possible. I definitely kind of slacked off when it came to staying active and being an active pregnant person and all this stuff. Like I said, I wanted to be, because guess what? Pregnancy is super tiring and super draining. So some things that I thought I would do, I just ended up not doing, or felt like I couldn't do, so I didn't. And I did prioritize a lot of rest in this pregnancy, which I'm super grateful that I've been able to do that. The weight gain is just kind of tripping me out because I know I obviously need to gain weight to have a healthy baby who's growing, and I think I put way too much on, but at the same time I'm like, oh my god, am I ever gonna be skinny again? And I keep having a horrible habit of like looking back at my old pictures and like, oh my god, I was so skinny, oh my god, I was so skinny, look at me now type of thing. But I need to just like chill out. I don't even know what I'm saying about it anymore, but it's just something that has been bothering me. So this is my little vent session about it. But I did watch a TikTok recently of a girl saying how she's been pregnant multiple times, she has multiple kids, and every pregnancy she's gained like 80 pounds. And there's like a certain range of weight you're supposed to gain depending on, you know, your starting weight and blah 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 for a healthy pregnancy. And she says that she goes way over that like every time, but she realizes that that's just what her body does in order to grow a human. So I'm just like trying to remember that no matter what changes are being made, it's literally what my body needs to do in order to grow my little baby. So yeah, that kind of makes me feel better, but at the same time it's just like, why? Yeah, and if you're curious, I've been using and loving the new Lancome concealers. This is literally my perfect match. This one is in the color 330, or what is it? Yeah, 330. And then this one I use for my contour shade in the color 495. I do have another one. This one is like really white. I got this one for like a highlight shade. They did send these to me, but I was able to pick out my shades. It's like really light. But I really like these. Are super lightweight, they give me really good coverage, and they're super buildable, and they're like perfect for summer. So I've been using those and loving them. But anyway, like I said, today I'm just gonna run some errands, spend the day with you guys. I didn't really have much to update you as far as my 39-week appointment, besides we are making some progress, slow progress, but still progress. So I'm happy about that. And honestly, things can change overnight when it comes to your body like preparing itself for labor. So who knows, I could still give birth on my due date, or I could go over. My doctor did say that they wouldn't let me go past like 41 and a half weeks. At 41 and a half weeks, I would most likely have to get like an induction, which I kind of was opposed to, but I will see how I feel. And obviously whatever's safe for the baby and my health, I'm gonna do it. But I really just want my body to go into labor naturally. I also started taking the evening primrose oil, I think it is. They come in like the little vitamin capsules, because supposedly that will help you dilate and soften your cervix. So hopefully it helps, I don't know. But as a first time mom, it's completely like normal to go over your due date because your body just has never done it before. So it's trying to figure out what to do, but hopefully we speed it up a little bit because I just want my baby to be here, and we have a lot going on in the month of August. I told you guys that we are moving, so I just want to have some time with him here to kind of like settle in and, I don't know, just not feel so stressed with everything else that's coming up in our lives. My hair is still kind of wet, but I'm just gonna let it air dry and let it do its own thing for the rest of the day. I'll show you guys a little bump update, and then I think I'm gonna go return my Amazon package and then probably get some Starbucks, and then we'll start our little errands for the day. And here is a 39-week bump update. My mirror is so dirty, but I look huge. This is so crazy. Like, I could never imagine that I would have this big old belly, but the little baby's in there and I can't wait to meet him. First stop is Starbucks, of course. I got my regular iced chai with oat milk, and then I got a vanilla scone, literally my go-to order. These are so good. I love these so much. Now I'm just trying to find the closest UPS store to return my Amazon packages at. And then I'm gonna go to Target. I'm gonna go to the one that has Ulta in it because I think I wanna pick up some like skincare, body care stuff that I've seen. I need to get some last minute baby stuff and just like some stuff for the house so that I'm not like running out of things whenever baby does come home. My new favorite section in Target is the baby section. I came here to get a little bottle rack and some baby bottle soap. Okay, now I'm debating if I actually need a bottle drying rack if I have a sterilizer and drying machine at home. Because I just feel like I'm buying stuff because I don't know why. Like, I feel like I need it, but do I really need it? Probably not. I do need to get one of these things though. A little bottle cleaner so I can rinse them out before I put them in the sterilizer. So I think I'm gonna get this.
¿Estás grabando?
Sí,
Dilo en
un
español.
poquito. Ahorita.
No.
Ahorita.
En español.
No puedo porque
Sí.
no sé cómo se dice.
Sí, sí puedes.
After I tell them about this in my breast pump, then the rest of the, then we can go to the park and talk in Spanish. I don't know how. Okay, I just got back home and I was telling you guys I had a sterilizer, so I wasn't sure if I actually needed a bottle rack dryer, but this is the one that I got. I got this from my baby registry. Somebody bought it for us. It's the Papa Blick one, and I'm gonna open it up and see. I don't know if I have to like set it up. I don't know how many pieces or whatnot there is, but also I can use this to sterilize my breast pump that I got yesterday. And I want to try it out to like collect colostrum because apparently you could do that. I want to breastfeed for sure, but I also want to be able to pump so that other people can feed him as well and he's not just like only on me. So that is why I want to get like bottle stuff as well. Okay, I decided to put it on this side of the counter since there's a plug here, but I'm gonna let it run twice. That's what it says, to let it run twice before you actually use it. And then I'll use it to sterilize my breast pump and some bottles. While the sterilizer is running, I just organized this little cabinet. It's where I'm gonna keep the bottles. And I bought 2 different bottles so far. I have these little Dr. Brown's ones, which are super popular. And then these little nano baby ones, which look like a boob. Since I'm gonna be breastfeeding, I want it to be easy for him to like go from the boob to the bottle. But obviously these aren't sterilized yet, but I'm just gonna organize everything in this shelf. And then I also bought this little pitcher to do the pitcher method and like stock up on breast milk. Did I show you these bottles? Did I show you these bottles? They look like boobs. So like he can think that it's my boob and he can want to drink from the bottle.
He's not, he's gonna hold it like this.
No, but like it's supposed to mimic your boob versus this.
But it's not gonna be on your boob.
No, it's not, but like whoever's feeding him, they will hold him. You know when you hold a baby in their arms and you feed him? It's like he's on the boob.
No, it's
But how are you gonna feed your son?
with the bottle.
Yeah, but how are you gonna hold him? You're gonna cradle him, right?
It's shaped like a boob, but the tip is still the same.
No, but the nipple is like designed to like mimic a nipple.
I guarantee you that nipple is the same as the bottle.
That's this one?
Yeah.
I don't know. But anyway, I got both, so we'll see which one he likes. We are about to go to the dog park. I was trying to like pack up the kitchen and like things that we're no longer using, but I realized that we have packers and movers coming and that's their job. So instead of me wasting my time doing it, I'm gonna let them do it. But the sterilizer is running for the 2nd time. So when we come back, or maybe tomorrow, I'll sterilize my breast pump and I'll show you guys. But for now, we're gonna go to the dog park and I'll take you guys with me. Daddy duties. Got my steps in this morning and now we're going on another walk. We've been coming to the dog park every day for the past like 4 days. I'm trying to get this baby out of me. Okay, it is 2 days later, still pregnant. Probably looks like I'm wearing the same thing and I spilled watermelon juice on my shirt, but this is just a tank top. The other day I was wearing like a full maxi dress. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys my breast pump before I end off this video because I said I would. So I ended up getting this Medela Freestyle pump through my insurance and I'm really happy because when I was like looking through my choices as far as ordering one, this one wasn't on here, so I ordered like an older version of the Medela one, but they ended up sending me this hands-free one, which I'm really happy about because I was originally going to buy the Mom Cozy, but I'm gonna try out this one since it was free and then see how it works, see how I like it, and then we'll just go from there. But this is what it looks like. Obviously it has the little cups, you stick them inside of a bra, and then this one comes with like the little remote start operator thing. It has to be attached in order to use it. But I actually used it the other day and it was so weird. It was literally so weird, but I don't know. Hopefully I get used to the feeling and whatnot because I do want to breast pump and just breastfeed in general. Oh, the breast pump also came with the little bag organizer.
¿Qué hace?
Making a video.
¿Cómo?
Haciendo un video.
Okay.
Sí.
Está bien.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, bye. The pump also came with this little bag organizer that's going to be super helpful just to keep everything together and in its place. And I'll honestly probably take this to the hospital as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Just wanted to hop on here, show you guys the breast pump I got, and I did sterilize it, and the sterilizer that I got is really easy to use. I really like it so far. But that is going to be it for this video. We're still patiently waiting over here. I don't know when I'm going to edit and actually upload this, but at the time that I'm filming this right now, baby is still in my belly. So, but yeah, I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.